Your girl is so fat. Good evening. I've been indoors since morning. Like since first, I've not opened my shop. I say let me take a break because when I'm in the shop, I cannot sleep. If I say let me sleep, noise will wake me up. So I said let me take a break and rest inside. They were like, come on, open your shop. Come on, open your shop. I said no. And I'm so fat. I am so fat. The last time I opened my shop was on the 31st December last year. Since last year. So I've been inside. I said let me just come out and view the environment. Yeah. Like this is a short fence here. See my hand here. This is the road. So whenever bike is passing, you're gonna hear. So that's basically it. I don't know when I'll open my shop this year. Let me say tomorrow after church I will open my shop for 2026. Wish me well in the comment section. I look so fat. So wish me well in the comment section. Now this 2026 will bring nothing but joy, laughter, increase. In fact, more money, good tidings, and all of that. So I'll see you in the next clip. Hey squad, I don't know if I've done a proper intro. Please don't mind my hair wrap. I was late this morning. Happy first Sunday of 2026. I was late this morning. I started to wrap my hair anyhow, and then I went to church. So I don't know if I've done a proper intro. Can you see me? I don't know if I've done a proper intro in this vlog. Hello squad, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you all doing? Hope you went to church. Today is first Sunday. So I'm going to be, let me bring you pull down. I'm going to be intentional with my YouTube journey this year 2026 by the grace of God, because it's not going to be by my power. I will try as much as possible to be intentional with my YouTube journey this 2026, and I hope and I pray that 2026 is going to take this YouTube channel to another level. Say amen in the comment section. In fact, from now till June 2026 will take this my YouTube journey to another level. I believe that, and I have faith in God, and I know that God will change my story. So the vlog is still vlogging. I don't know if that's correct. We are still vlogging. So sit back, relax, and continue to enjoy this video. We don't have light since yesterday, so I don't know if we are going to be visiting my mother-in-law's elder sister today. I hope I said something like that. So if we are going to be visiting her today, I will not carry you along because I have only 15%, if not 10% right now. So that's basically it. Just got home, came back from church, and I wore this my old dress. My old dress. So and also nothing new this year. Nothing new. But this 25th, by the grace of God, I'm going to be changing my wardrobe. Okay. So let me go eat. So squad, the next day I went to the market to get yam because my husband and father-in-law are lovers of yam. So when I got there, the seller was not around, and this is me waiting for the seller to come back because he said he went to have his bath at home. See, that's what they said. So I started waiting. I waited for him and all of that. So I decided to go get egg for soup. Yeah. I'm back from the market, and I just changed my dress to this dress. If you're observant, you find out that the other dress I wore had collar, and this one no collar. So I'm also charging my phone. I just placed the Ede on the fire. I don't know if I can carry you guys along because my battery is low. Yeah. Let's see, maybe I will show you the end result of this soup. But in this vlog, I've been talking. I never show on everything I did do for this vlog, but now so this one day. I'm not going to use all though. I know be governor wife. So beside this. So I will use this one. I'll use this one too. I think I should use this too. I have dried cow skin. I'm going to cut it small. I have dried beef. I'll also use that one. I think this is okay. I'm going to be using this one. Then I'll put this one back in the fridge. Yeah.